Hello students, today we are going to understand water and its amazing properties through simple experiments. Water is not just something we drink, it plays a crucial role in science and daily life. Water, with chemical formula H2O, is the most important substance on Earth. It exists naturally in three states: solid as ice, liquid as water, and gas as water vapor. It is called the universal solvent because it dissolves more substances than any other liquid, which makes life possible. Water has some unique properties like surface tension, capillarity, and density. These properties help us understand many natural phenomena, from insects walking on water to plants absorbing water. Surface tension is the tendency of water to form a thin elastic layer on its surface. This happens because water molecules attract each other strongly. This force is called cohesion. Due to this, the surface behaves like a stretched rubber sheet. In this experiment, a needle placed carefully on water can float. Even though the needle is heavier than water, it does not sink because the surface tension supports it. But when we add soap, this surface layer breaks and the needle sinks immediately. When we drop water slowly on a cone, we observe that water forms a dome shape. This happens because surface tension pulls the water molecules together. If we add soap, fewer drops stay because surface tension reduces. Capillarity is the ability of water to rise in narrow spaces against gravity. It occurs due to two forces: adhesion, which is attraction between water and surfaces, and cohesion, which is attraction between water molecules. When a white flower is placed in colored water, the petals slowly change color. This happens because water travels through tiny tubes in the stem called xylem. This experiment shows how plants absorb water from roots to leaves. In this experiment, water moves through paper towels from one glass to another. This happens due to capillary action. As the water moves, colors mix and form new colors, showing both movement and mixing. Density is the mass per unit volume of a substance. Objects less dense than water float, while denser objects sink. According to Archimedes' principle, an object experiences an upward force equal to the weight of displaced water. An egg sinks in normal water but floats in salt water. This is because salt increases the density of water. When the water becomes denser than the egg, the buoyant force increases and the egg floats. Water moves continuously in nature through the water cycle. First, water evaporates due to heat, then it condenses to form clouds, and finally falls as rain. This cycle keeps water circulating on Earth. In this experiment, a cloud forms inside a jar. Hot water produces vapor, and when it cools, it condenses into tiny droplets. This is exactly how clouds are formed in the atmosphere. Solubility is the ability of a substance to dissolve in water. We observe that more substances dissolve in hot water than in cold water. So students, today we learned important properties of water and their real-life applications. Revise these concepts regularly and practice questions. Jai Hind.